Hey friends, welcome. So we are going to make a little dog necklace, okay? So this one is going to be for a smaller dog. It's a Chihuahua. So my sister-in-law, her mom, rescued a new little Chihuahua. I think she's like 6 years old. And we're going to make her a little necklace. So we measured her neck and it's 9 inches. Let me grab my tape measure that I forgot. So her neck is 9 inches and I want to give a little bit of room in there, but I'm also going to be putting a toggle on, which will give a tiny bit of room. But I'm going to make it 9.5. And you know, I have this heartstring I could use, but I am going to use this. This is it's bead and stretch glitter from Hobby Lobby, but it's got a little bit of a stretch to it. So I'm going to use that because, you know, I don't want it tight on her neck, and I also want a little bit of stretch since it's for a dog. And it's a necklace, not a collar. So, all right. And then I've got these little toggles. I got these ones I got from Hobby Lobby. I had some different ones I wanted to use that are from Amazon. I had some that the little toggle had a puppy on it, but I can't find them. So, all right, so the toggle is 2 pieces, but it goes in, you know, like this. And so this is how it stays, you know, on the dog's neck. So we've got our toggle and I've got these beads. I'm going to be using these silicone beads because I feel like they're just so much more comfortable for a dog's neck. And I'm going to use these little ones. And all right, so these are the beads that I'm going to use, and I need it to be like 9.5 inches long. So I'm going to go about this much more, and then I'm going to double it because I got to have room to be able to pull it back up. All right. So we're going to fold it in half. We take our folded piece and we go through our toggle. This is a little thicker, so we go through like this, and then our 2 little legs go through and we pull it tight. All right, so now we're just going to feed our beads on, and when we get kind of down to, let's see, you just have an idea. All right, so about this much left. That should be about my end. I just want to make this even. All right, so now I'm just going to put my beads on. Now I'm using smaller beads because this is a smaller dog, and I'm using silicone beads because I personally feel like they're just more comfortable for a dog. If you're making it for a bigger dog, I would use the bigger beads. right, so now I'm going to split this, open the two up, and I'm going to do 2 beads that I only put through one side. And then I'm going to put on my toggle, the back piece. All right, so now I'm going to go loop around that toggle hook, and I'm going to go back through, sorry, I don't have my glasses on, back through these 2 that only have beads that only have 1 string through them. Okay? So now I'm gonna just pull them tight. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it around again, so like a surgeon's knot, and I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna pull it really, really tight. Now I'm gonna make a knot. Pull that really tight. And then I'm gonna just bend this over and I'm gonna cut this as close to the knot as I can. Of course, without cutting the knot. My Cricut scissors need to be sharpened. All right, and then I'm just gonna take this and push my little extra strings up into the hole. And then just do this and let them all get up into, and there's our little toggle and our little doggy necklace. And let's see. Let me pull it this way. And yeah, we are good. All right. So this should fit her perfectly with a little bit of room. And that toggle in there's a pain. There we go. But there we go. Our perfect little doggy necklace. And again, this one's small because it's for a little Chihuahua. And if you were making it for a bigger dog, I would use bigger beads, but super, super cute, super easy. All right, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.